Hello, 7th grade. Welcome back from Easter break. I hope you're having a good day. Today is Monday, April 20th. And I just wrote down, we're going to do one last lesson on geometry. Geometry is kind of hard to do with virtual learning, but we're going to do one kind of different activity to finish things up. Okay, what you're going to need to do is to choose a room in your house that's rectangular in shape or square in shape, and you will need to measure it. You'll need to find a tape measure, one of those ones where you can measure long distances with, okay, that you kind of pull out, okay. If you don't have one, call a neighbor and they can put one on their front porch and you can borrow it from them. So I just did an example to kind of give you an idea of how to do this, okay? So here I have a rectangular room and we're going to do this assignment in inches, okay? Not feet or centimeters or meters. We're going to convert it to inches to make it easier. Okay, so I have a room that is 14 feet in length, which is 168 inches, and it is 8 feet wide, which is 96 inches. Okay, so this is the room that I'm going to be doing, and you have to find the area, the perimeter, and the volume of this room, which are three things that our chapter was working on. Okay. So an area of a rectangle is easy. It's just length times width, okay? So since I'm doing inches and not feet, I would do 168 inches times 96 inches, and the area would be 16,128 inches squared, okay? Remember, area, it's always the unit of measure squared. Okay, then you have to figure out the perimeter of this room in inches. Okay, now remember, perimeter, all you have to do is add the four sides. Okay, so I did 168 plus 168 plus 96 plus 96, and the perimeter would be 528 inches. Okay, so the perimeter, just the measurement of the four walls in the room. Okay, then we're going to figure out the volume. Okay, the volume would be like how much airspace fills up this room. Okay, so we are measuring the length times the width times the height to get the volume. Okay, so our length is 168 inches. Our width is 96 inches. Okay, if this room had, the ceiling was 9 feet above the floor, okay, then my height would be 108 inches. And when I multiply them together, I get 168 times 96 times 108. And I end up with this very large number, 1,741,824 inches cubed. Okay, so once again, volume deals with three measurements, all right, length times width times height to get the volume, and the unit of measure is always cubed because we are multiplying inches times inches times inches, which gives us inches cubed. Okay, now the reason I wanted you to do it in inches is it's just with feet, you know, you might have a room that's 14 feet, 5.5 inches, and that's hard to convert into a decimal. All right, so by making all your measurement in inches, it just makes things a little bit easier for you. All right, so 7th grade, pick a room, can be your bedroom, all right, can be whatever room you want, TV room, all right, you just want something that's rectangular in shape. Get your measuring tape and then measure the dimensions open up the Google document. I tried to put in really good directions for you on how to input your answers to get the answer for the area, the perimeter, and the volume of your room. Okay. On Tuesday, we're going to move into the chapter on statistics, and then we'll move on to probability. All right. Good luck with the activity. You can message me on Google Classroom if you have some questions, and I'll try to get back to you right away. All right. Thank you, and have a good day.